Are you ready to grow the juiciest tomatoes? Imagine plucking fresh, ripe tomatoes right from your garden. Today, we'll uncover the best way to grow these delicious fruits. Growing tomatoes is rewarding, but it can be tricky. You might wonder how to choose seeds, care for them, or manage pests. Don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. First, select the right tomato variety. There are many types: cherry, beefsteak, or heirlooms. Choose what fits your taste and climate. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need seeds, seed starting mix, pots, and a sunny location. Tomatoes love sunlight. Aim for at least 6 hours of sun per day. Now, let's plant the seeds. Fill your pots with the mix, then plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Moisten the soil but don't overwater. Keep them warm and watch for sprouts. Once they germinate, thin out weaker plants. This helps stronger plants grow better. When seedlings are 6 inches tall, it's time to transplant outside. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Prepare the soil by mixing in compost. Tomatoes thrive in nutrient-rich soil. Space your plants at least 2 feet apart for proper airflow. As they grow, provide support. Use cages or stakes to keep plants upright. This helps prevent diseases and allows better air circulation. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Tomatoes prefer deep watering about once a week, rather than shallow daily watering. Mulching can help retain moisture. Monitor for pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids and whiteflies. Use organic pesticides or insecticidal soap for treatment. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This boosts growth and fruit production. Look for fertilizers specifically for tomatoes. Harvesting is the finale. Pick tomatoes when they're fully colored. Gently twist to remove them from the vine without damaging the plant. Growing tomatoes may take effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. Remember these key steps. Choose the right variety, provide sunlight, monitor growth, and protect from pests. Now it's your turn. Start your tomato growing adventure today. Check your local garden center for seeds and get planting. Happy gardening!